Introduction to Focus Booster and Daily Goals.
The Focus Booster is a productivity app based on the Pomodoro Technique. Setting daily goals within Focus Booster helps you stay organized and accountable throughout your workday. In this guide, you'll learn how to create actionable daily goals using Focus Booster's goal-setting features, allowing you to better manage time and boost your output.
Accessing goal settings in Focus Booster.
To start, open Focus Booster and log into your account. Navigate to your dashboard where you'll find an overview of your productivity stats. Locate the Settings or Goals section, usually accessible from the sidebar or the main menu, to begin creating your daily goals. This is the starting point for customizing your productivity targets.
Creating actionable daily goals.
Select Add Goal or the equivalent option within the Goals section. Enter a clear, specific objective, such as completing a report, writing a chapter, or studying for an hour. Make your goals measurable and realistic, ensuring they align well with your workload. Save your goal to have it appear automatically in your daily view for easy tracking.
Tracking and adjusting progress.
As you work, Focus Booster records your sessions and compares them to your set goals. Check your progress throughout the day using the dashboard. If you finish early or fall short, you can tweak your goals at any time to better reflect your changing priorities or workflow.
Reviewing results and staying accountable.
At the end of each day, review your results in Focus Booster. Look at completed goals and reflect on what worked or needs improvement. Regularly adjusting your goals based on these insights increases personal accountability and helps you continuously improve your productivity habits.